What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another trucking video. My name is Michael here, and if you're watching this, chances are you're interested in driving for Sweet Express. Well, you're in luck. You found the right video, you found the right channel. I've been a driver for them for about a year now, but in today's video, we're gonna be going, we're picking up a load right now. We're here on site at a recycling plant. Sorry, there's a guy backing in next to me. We're at a recycling site plant here in Birdsboro, Pennsylvania, southeast Pennsylvania, and picking up a load of basically, well, glorified garbage, bundled garbage. It's in like those big bales. They put it together and they kind of strap it. Anyway, 44,000 pounds of that going up to Kalamazoo, Michigan. And if you're wondering, it's about 11 hours from here. So yeah, we got a full day in front of us. We're gonna see if we can get that all the way there today, drop that. Sorry, I'm distracted. There's a guy next to me backing in, as you can see. I'm watching my mirrors to make sure he's not clipping the front of my truck, but damn, he's pretty close. I'm not gonna, show the camera to him so he doesn't think like I'm filming him. But anyway, yeah, so we're here on site. We're getting loaded. See if we can make it all the way there today. We'll see what happens. So, yeah, man, let's get this rolling. Oh my God, he's really close. Holy fuck! Sorry. But yeah. Yeah, so we're here. We'll talk to you guys in a little bit when we get ready to roll out of here. Side note, that's what they look like over there. Those big, just bundles of recycled garbage, bottles, all that shit. It fucking stinks, dude. It smells so bad here, as you can imagine. But while I'm thinking about it, if you're thinking about joining Sweet Express, link down in the description box below. I have the name and phone number to the recruiter. His name is Nick. Very easy to talk to a fellow. Give him a call and see what Sweet can do for you. We pay very competitively. We got good equipment. We got good home time or miles if you're thinking about doing OTR. We have regional and over-the-road positions available. Also have 2 websites for Sweet down in the description box below too, so you can check both of them out. If you don't believe me, give him a call or check the websites out, or look at my other videos. I have lots of videos talking about that particular stuff. But like I said, in this particular video, we're going to be just running the load here. So yeah, be sure to do that. Yeah, all down in the description box below. All right, so we're getting ready to roll out of here. If you can see that, this is the guy that's in front of me. That's what we're hauling. There's a lot of it in there. Like I said, 44,000 pounds worth. You got to roll on the scale, check your weights, and then they'll add or subtract any based on where you're at. You'll definitely have a full trailer leaving this place though. So he's got to scale out, get his paperwork, then I roll up there and do the same thing. So we're getting ready to pull out of here. We got a full day in front of us of running, so let's see how far we can get today. Wish us luck.
A lane closure was reported on 999.
Pro trick tip for somebody with experience: when you're sitting in like either stop or very slow traffic, put yourself on duty. Change your log status to on duty, save your drive time. We're trying to maximize the amount that we can travel and the amount of miles that we can gain today. So save that drive time. There's no sense in wasting it just sitting here for 5 minutes not moving until it switches over automatically into on duty. See what I'm saying? Alright guys, we have arrived here at the Loves in just over the Ohio border in Hubbard, Ohio. Gonna fuel up, grab a shower, and keep it moving here. Stop for our break here. So try and do all that at one time. So see how it all pans out. We'll talk to you guys in a bit. guys, update time. Sorry I missed some of the usual border crossing into different states. We left Ohio, we were in Indiana for about 10 miles, and then we grabbed 69 north from Indiana, and then now we are in Michigan. We're heading north in Michigan right now. We got to grab 94 west, and then 94 basically take us right to Kalamazoo to our delivery, or our drop, and then yeah, from there we got to find parking somewhere. But anyway, yeah, I just wanted to update you guys a little bit here. I usually try to get those kind of border crossings, but it didn't happen. So I was on the phone with family and catching up on some other stuff. Keep myself busy, but we got about an hour to get there, so we'll get there, but we'll be cutting it short. So I gotta get in, get out of there, grab an empty, and find some parking in a hurry, but we'll see how it all goes. Gorgeous day though, gorgeous day. Nice day to drive. Anyway, we'll talk to you guys in a bit. All right guys, we have arrived here on site to our drop location in Kalamazoo, Michigan. Behind us is the plant. This side of the street is just a drop lot. So I gotta go bring my paperwork over to a little shack over here and check in and see what's going on. Yeah, figure out where I gotta drop this at, and then go find an empty somewhere. So without any further ado, I'm gonna go get to that. Craziness. All right, so we got checked in over there. They had to sign our paperwork, but then you have to come, when you come to this customer, you have to figure out which lot that they want you to drop it in. They tell you which lot they want you to drop it in, but then you just gotta kind of figure out where it is. It's this huge, massive complex and facility, and there's all kind of satellite little random drop lots labeled like E through G, or A through G, I'm sorry. And so we had to drop it in E, which is across the street from us. Doesn't look like much from the side, but there's hundreds, if not probably close to 1,000 or 2 trailers over there, so it was kind of hard, believe it or not, to find a spot for it, but I found a spot in the end, and came over here to this other lot and found ourselves an empty, which is the last one in the lot. So usually you had to go to a different site, like down the street and around a corner, to find empties, but there just happened to be one here, and I was over there, like I said, so I just happened to see it and grabbed it. So I'm stealing it. Now we're off to go find somewhere to park up for the night, so we'll talk to you guys in a little bit. It's been crazy. Let's go. Getting the green hour for one motorcycle. Jeez. Ah, yes. Home sweet home. You guys had to take a guess as to where I'm pulling into right now.
When possible, make a U-turn,
Yeah,
then take the first
me,
left.
lady. I'm trying to make a video here and you're fucking talking. Trailer parking only, no connected truck slash bobtail. Okay. Can't even fucking see anything, it's so dark.
Turn left on Gretchen Road Southeast.
Home sweet home. I know this makes for a terrible video quality, but as you guessed, we have made it here to where we are shutting down for the night. We were in the neighborhood, so I just decided to come right on by to good old Sweet Express in Grand Rapids, Michigan, to take our 10-hour break for the day. So, as you guessed it, that's gonna be the end of the video. What a fucking day, dude. I did this whole video in one day. 664 miles. And you can see my week there. So we got 644 on Monday, Tuesday was 675, Wednesday was shitty because I got fucked around on that load. I was supposed to pick this load up yesterday, but they wouldn't allow me to pick it up yesterday, so I did the whole thing today. So we did 664 today. So people will ask me, you know, sometimes, is it slow over here at Sweet? No, it is not slow at Sweet. You just saw my week, you know, and I still gotta drive all the way back to Pennsylvania tomorrow, so get good miles here, and I'm a regional guy too. So yeah, freight's moving, truck's moving, we're busy over here, and I'm not ever sitting around waiting for freight. I'm always got something planned on me before I even drop the load I'm under. So yeah, like I said, as you guessed it, we're at the end of the video now. If you like this kind of content, like and consider subscribing. I upload videos, you know, at least one a week, sometimes more, sometimes less, depending on how crazy it is. I try to upload at least once a week to keep everybody happy, and for the folks that are considering coming on, you definitely should do it. Link down in the description box below. I got a name and phone number to the recruiter. I think I did this whole spiel in the beginning of the video, but it may have only been like 10-15 minutes in the video, but honestly it's been like 12 hours since that point, so I don't remember. It's a real deal out here, man. If you're thinking about joining Sweet, check out my other videos. We're moving, we're hauling freight, we're making money. It's a good trucking company. Come over and join. Come see what it's all about. Give Nick a call. Check out their website. Look at my content. Ask a driver, dude. It's a real deal over here. You guys should come over. You guys should definitely come over. Everybody that I talked to, all my recruits, they're all happy that they did. One reason or another. Everybody's different. But anyway, with all that being said, that'll be the end of this video. I'm fucking tired, so I'm going the fuck to bed, man. That's it. I'm fucking shot. But that, I mean, you kind of guessed that already, but anyway, so yeah, everybody be good, stay safe, God bless, guys, and we'll talk to you in the next video. Peace.